So we're here on 2.5. We're dividing integers. The result from dividing two numbers or an expression is called a quotient. And we've looked at quotients before when we were simplifying expressions. Oh, it looks like my board. There we go. Quotient. So, similar to multiplying integers, dividing integers, remember integers is just a set of numbers, dividing integers basically has the same rules. And it says over here, key concept, integers with different signs. When you divide them, the answer is negative. When they have the same sign, your answer is positive. So, let's start here in example 1. Find each quotient. 21 divided by negative 7. So you divide 21 and 7 to get 3. And since the signs are different, the quotient is negative. Negative. So we'll add a negative 3 there. All right, number 2, 20 divided by 5. Divide 20 and 5, you get 4. The signs are the same. So the quotient is positive. Pretty straightforward. Same rules as multiplication. Number 3, we have two negatives. Since the signs are the same, we know it's going to be positive. Answer. We divide 45 and 9, we get 5. The signs are the same, so the quotient is positive. Number 4 here, we have a negative 42 divided by a positive 6. Divide 42 and 6 and we get 7. The signs are different. The quotient is negative. Since we know that, we can add a negative 7 there. All right, so that was pretty easy. Your turn. Find A, B, C, and D. Pause me here, see if you can figure it out. Okay, so you should have gotten negative 5, 4, 7, and negative 8. Let's move on to the next page. It says exponents in expressions. So find the value of 4 over negative 2 to the third power. Third power up here means whatever this is times 3 times, not times 3, times itself 3 times. So first thing we need to do, order of operations says we have to simplify the inside of the parentheses first. So 4 divided by negative 2 is going to give us a negative 2 because it's a positive divided by a negative. So we put our negative 2 in here. Now we do the exponents. Remember grouping symbols, exponents. So negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2. Well, negative 2 times negative 2 is a positive 4. Positive 4 times negative 2 gives us a negative 8. So we're going to put that as our answer. I guess this is an extra box over here. So let's evaluate some expressions. Remember, evaluate just means whatever they tell us to put in. Let's say z equals negative 9. We're going to put that in for this z. We're substituting it in. So substitute in negative 9 for z, and they give us a space to do that. We divide negative 54 by negative 9, and we get a positive 6, because remember, negative divided by negative is a positive 6. So now your turn. Find the value of each expression. Remember to do the inside of these parentheses first, then take it to the third power. And over here, you're substituting this 7 in for this x. Okay, so that's the answers you should have gotten, negative 27 and negative 9. If you didn't, go back and watch the video and retry that. All right, so now on to our word problems. Temperature. The temperature changed negative 12 degrees Celsius in 3 hours. It changed by the same amount each hour. What was the change in the first hour? So we have a negative 12 degrees Celsius and we have 3 hours. So we're just dividing it. How much did it change each hour? Well, 12 divided by 3 is 4. Since the signs are different, this is negative, this is positive, we know it's a negative 4. You just divide negative 12 by 3. The temperature changed negative 4 degrees Celsius in the first hour. Make sure you have the degrees Celsius part. This should be exactly what we see in your notable. So now your turn. Temperature. It's the same kind of problem. So try and figure this one out. Pause it. See if you get it right. Okay, so you should have gotten it negative 16 divided by 8 to get us a negative 2. Now our answer isn't just negative 2. You have to put it in a full sentence. The temperature changed negative 2 degrees Celsius in the last hour. Notice the difference. This one's the last hour. This one's the first hour. So now go ahead and start your assignment. If you have any questions on dividing integers, please ask. Have a great day.